Hi! In front of me is Sony Xperia 5 Mark V, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by going into Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in Magic Fluids and install this free app from Mad Scientist developer. Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Sim. When your app is ready, open it, and to mute the music right away, click on the bottom left corner. Now select those three lines at the bottom right one, click on Set as Live Wallpaper, and tap on this gear at the top right corner. Finally, click on I accept in First Things First pop-up, and manage all of those options however you want to. If you wish to, you can always choose presets at the top left corner instead. Click on the best one and tap on Yes in Load Preset pop-up. When you finished, just go back and click on Set Wallpaper at the bottom. Then tap on one of those options to decide where you wish to apply it. In my case, it will be home screen only, so when I click and go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!